Hello my dear friends, I am Prerna and I welcome you all to the audio storytelling project India. I am back with an amazing story for you all. The title of our today's story is The Parrot and His Friends. A young parrot lived on a tree near a lake. One day he said to a female parrot, "Dear, I want to marry you." The female parrot asked him to first make a friend. The parrot approached a lion, who agreed to be his friend. Then the two parrots got married and soon had some babies. Once, two hunters came with the intention of catching the birds living on that tree. The present parrots got worried about the safety of their babies. The female parrot sent her husband to seek his friend's help. The parrot called the lion, who roared loudly. When the hunters saw a huge lion coming towards them, they ran away. Now the parrots understood the value of a friend. So friends, did you like this story? I hope you like it. I would like to thank Aarti Naik Changemaker for giving me this chance to present these audio stories every day. Tomorrow I will come with another beautiful story for you all. Until then, bye.